Right then, let's talk about a proper knockout combination, a real flavor hero. We're talking about beautiful, crispy golden falafel served beside a super fresh, vibrant Greek salad. It's one of those meals that just works. Warm, earthy spice crunch from the falafel, then cool, sharp, zesty zing from the salad. Brilliant contrast of textures and temperatures that wakes up your taste buds. Not just food, a plate full of sunshine, perfect when you need a little lift. Okay, gang, let's get our ingredients sorted. For our puka falafel, simple, beautiful things. Dried chickpeas and about 250 grams, big bunch of fresh flat leaf parsley, big bunch of fresh coriander. Don't be shy with the herbs. 1 small onion, roughly chopped, a couple of cloves of garlic, ground cumin, about a teaspoon, ground coriander, about a teaspoon, a good pinch of sea salt, black pepper, baking soda, vegetable oil for frying. Now, cracking Greek salad, ripe, juicy cherry tomatoes, halved, half a cucumber, chopped into chunky bits, 1 red onion, sliced really, really finely, a good handful of black Kalamata olives, a block of feta cheese, about 200 grams. We'll crumble that in at the end so it doesn't turn to mush. Keep those lovely, distinct shapes and flavors. Dressing, juice of 1 lovely lemon, a good few glugs of extra virgin olive oil. Be generous. A little sprinkle of dried oregano, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper. Whisk the simple, zesty dressing, clean and fresh. Right, your chickpeas have had a good long soak overnight. They should be nice and plump. Drain them really, really well and pat them dry. This is key to getting a non-soggy mix. Now pop them into a food processor. Don't have one. A powerful blender will work. You'll just need to scrape down the sides more often. Add in your roughly chopped onion, add the garlic cloves, add the bunches of parsley, add the bunches of coriander. Just chuck it all in there, stems and all. There's loads of flavor in the stems. This is where all that fresh green power comes from. Now it's time to blitz. We're not making a smoothie here, so pulse it, don't just hold the button down. We're looking for a texture like coarse, damp sand. You want it fine enough to stick when squeezed, but still with texture. If you overblend it, it'll become a paste, and your falafel will be dense and heavy. We want them light and fluffy inside. So, pulse, scrape down the sides, pulse again. Take your time with it. It should be a beautiful, vibrant green color and smell absolutely incredible. Once you've got that perfect sandy texture, scrape the mixture out into a bowl. Cover it and pop it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, or even an hour if you have the time. This step is super important. Don't skip it. Chilling lets the flavors mingle and helps the mixture firm up. Much easier to shape, and it stops falafel falling apart in hot oil. So be patient, let it chill. Okay, your mix is chilled and ready for the final touch. Take it out and sprinkle in about half a teaspoon of baking soda. This brilliant little trick creates tiny air pockets. That's the light, airy inside. Let's get cooking. It's time to shape these little legends. Wet your hands slightly to stop the mixture from sticking. Take a small amount of the mix, about a tablespoon's worth. Gently roll it into a ball between your palms, or flatten it slightly into a little patty. More traditional and crispier. Don't pack them too tightly. Keep them light, just firm enough to hold their shape. Line them up on a tray as you go. You should get about 15 to 20. Pour vegetable oil into a deep pan until it's about 3 to 4 centimeters deep. Heat it gently to 175 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop a tiny bit in to test. If it sizzles and turns golden in about a minute, your oil is ready. Don't let it get too hot, or the outside will burn before the inside is cooked. And please, be careful with hot oil. Be sensible. Working in small batches is the secret here. Don't overcrowd the pan. Gently lower 3 or 4 falafel into the hot oil using a slotted spoon. Let them fry for about 3 to 4 minutes, turning them halfway through until they are a beautiful, deep golden brown all over and wonderfully crisp. They will float to the surface when they are getting close to being done. It's a glorious sight. Lift them out and drain on kitchen paper. If you're looking for a slightly healthier option, you can bake them at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway. Less crispy, more tender, still delicious. Baking is great, but frying wins for ultimate crunch. The final assembly. This is where all our hard work comes together to create something truly epic. Let's build our plate. Start by swooshing a generous spoonful of creamy hummus or cool tangy tzatziki across the bottom. It's the flavor foundation. Don't be shy. Arrange your beautiful, hot-from-the-pan falafel on top, 3 or 4. They're the hero. The warmth gently heats the hummus, releasing lovely aromas. Toss tomatoes, cucumber, olives, and red onion with lemon oregano dressing, then gently fold in feta. Pile a vibrant heap beside the falafel. Tuck in warm pita.